Hello guys! So let's move on to the next topic. Next topic natin ngayon is hyperbolic. So kung makikita nyo dito, na nakasulat, mga formula na gamitin natin at yung mga derivative na rin. So first, itong d over dx, derivative of sine h of u is equal to cosine h of u times derivative of u. Next, d over dx, derivative of cosine h of u is equal to sine h of u times derivative of u. Next, tayang d over dx, tan h of u is equal to secant h squared of u times the derivative of u. Next, yung d over dx, cosecant h of u is equal to negative cosecant h of u times cotangent h of u times the derivative of u. And yung next naman na dito is secant h of u is equal to negative secant h of u tan h of u times the derivative of u. And the last, yung cotangent h of u is equal to cosecant h squared of u times the derivative of u. So, magbigay tayo ng example sa ilan na to. Sabihin natin ito, secant h of u. So, hindi tayo ng example. Sabihin natin, sec. Then yung u natin is yung 5x minus 2. Ito yung u natin. Sige, 5x. Then, i-apply na natin yung problem na to sa formula na gagamitin natin. So, makikita nyo di ba dito na is equal to negative secant h of u tangent h of u times the derivative of u. Apply natin siya. Negative secant of u, then yung u, as ito na yan, 5x minus 2, then tan h of u, tan h of u natin na 5x minus 2, then the derivative of this problem na 5 minus 2. At ang derivative niyan is equal to 5, di ba? 5 na lang siya. Then, gagawin natin na next is yung 5, ayun times natin siya sa in-apply natin na formula na to. So, 5 times 2 negative secant sec h of 5x minus 2 tan h of 5x negative 2. So, is equal to negative 5 secant h of 5x minus 2, then tan h of 5x negative 2. So, ito na yung final answer natin na negative, oops, ay hindi, 5 ito kung makikita nyo, negative 5 secant h of 5x negative 2 and tan h of 5x negative 2.